Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a pre-order on Gumroad. So actually guys, as first you will need to go to the gumroad.com website and then just sign in with your account. Then you will be forwarded into dashboard, or all you need to do is to click on the dashboard button that's well located at the top right of the page. And now you will need to go with the products option. It's the second one on the left hand menu, and then just go with add a product or new product here. Okay, then just choose digital products or your desired one, and then you will need to fill in the product name here. So for example, we'll go with digital products. Okay, and then just choose the currency below and how much. So for example, we'll go with 10, and now just go with next, customize. So here you will need to fill in the product details, the description. So you'll need to explain it's a pre-order and when the products will be delivered, and also the cover. So we all need to go with upload right here and choose whether we want to upload a picture from your computer files or an external link. So for example, you will need to bring a cover of that product and just post it. Okay, and then just go to the price section here. So set a fixed or a fixed price, or pay what you want, or allow customers to pay what they want if you like, and enter the amounts the customers pay now. Okay, so you will need to enter it right here. Right, and the pre-orders charge the customers immediately unless you delay using external tools. Okay, and as I told you on the description, you will need to make it clear. Okay, here where you will need to add a note about the pre-orders, so like when the products will be delivered, and if there are any bonuses for early buyers, and this builds the trust and prevents refunds. And once finished, just go with save and continue, then publish. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.